By him in whose hand is my life, if you were not to commit sin, Allah would sweep you out of existence and he would replace you by those people who would commit sin and seek forgiveness from Allah, and he would have pardoned them. There would come people amongst the Muslims on the day of resurrection, with as heavy sins as a mountain, and Allah would forgive them. And he would place in their stead the Jews and the Christians. Messenger of Allah said, on the day of resurrection, Allah will deliver to every Muslim, a Jew or a Christian and say, this is your ransom from hellfire.